Hope everything is okay. Mm, this stream is not starting. Okay, I guess the stream it has started now. Mm, there is no one here right now, so I cannot ask anyone if it is okay or not. So let's get started. So what I am doing today is making a game for Ludum Dare. If you don't know about Ludum Dare, then here is it, their page. It's a 48-hour game jam where you need to make a game within 48 hours. And this time the theme is running out of space. So today means right now I will try to think about an idea for this game jam. Then the theme, keeping the theme in mind, running out of space. Okay. mm, if anyone has any suggestion, then they can post it in the comment section if available, because I can see anyone available right now. uh, so let's get started with having an idea first. Running out of space. If running out of space comes in mind, then I would first tell about the snake games, because they are a good example of running out of space, because whenever the snake is to eat, it gets longer and the space gets shorter there, and thus it is running out of space. And now I need to have a idea for this game. Hmm, uh, what can I do? I'm thinking. No idea is currently coming to my mind, because snake is actually well known and I need something different, because if you see in their home page already. Okay, there are there are some ideas which people are working on right now. Let It looks like an inventory system. I don't know what it is. Okay. So basically now I need to have an idea. So what can I do? Mm, we can make a game with a room and some balls bouncing around the room. And no, this is another kind of idea. Not okay for this. Let me think. Let me think. So my initial idea was to make a shooter kind of, means not shooter, platformer kind of game where there is a platform. Let's color it green. Okay, okay. Fill solid color. Why isn't it happening? Okay, I need to make this color too. Now I can draw, I guess. Yes. Okay, there. I was thinking that I need a ground. Then I will. Sorry. Then I will need a character. Okay, not color 1. I need to change color 2. And then there. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Yes. Okay, I need the line to. There would be some. Wait a second. There would be some lasers, and they will continuously move to. Sorry, they will continuously move towards you or away from you, shrinking the space, and there would be some collectibles like coins. We have to collect some coins to win a level. Let's fill the background with red. Not red. It's neutral kind of color. This was my first idea, and my second idea was to my second idea was to make another game of means there would be a circular room. There would be okay. There would be these enemies, and yes, not the enemies. There would be these black hole kind of things which will increase in size over time, and there would be our character. Okay, not that. There would be our character who needs to dodge this as long as possible, and there would be some power-ups to reduce these black holes. This might be a good idea, I guess. If anyone, there is no one right now to tell me what I should do or shouldn't. If anyone is watching this right now, please say hello or something. Okay, or suggest me any good idea on that kind of thing. Let's get started with Unity. I've already created the project for started the project, and so I will need some dummy characters first. Okay, there is a scene folder and sample scene, no problem. I need another folder for assets. Okay. Once Windows Store open, I need that. Paint will be open. Okay. I need Inkscape now. Okay, for drawing something to get started. Okay. Let's delete this first, and now I will create our character. Okay, hold control. Oh, Kuntal is live. I didn't see that. Hello, Kuntal. Okay, so let me draw the character first. Am I audible, Kuntal? If you can say that in the chats, I will be informed that if I am audible or not. Okay, let's get the character. Let's make it pixels and we will make it 32. Okay, why is it doing like that? Okay, what is happening now? Okay, width 32, height 32 pixels, it is small size. Okay, now this would be our dummy character for the game, and now I need to export this. Selection, export as, I need going to drive, new folder. Okay, so set it up for the character, and now it would be our character. I don't say it will write D before that. Export. Now we need to import this to Unity. Let me open up my drive here real quickly. So let me open the drive folder. Okay, Kuntal is not understanding, I guess, what I am doing. Basically, I am making a game for a 48-hour game jam named Ludum Dare, where competitors are given 48 hours time and a theme to work on to make a game. Okay, and the theme is running out of space. Okay, so going to asset character. So imported our character, so let it be in our scene. Oh, I cannot see it. Okay, wait, I need to change the properties in the asset. It would be 32 for 1 unit, and apply that, and now we can see our ball. Okay, but why is it? Okay, it is applying some filter. We need no filter on this thing, and yeah, now it appears pixely, which I want. And so sorry, let's give a character some movement, should we? So assets, create folder. Here I would store my scripts. Okay, and let's create my beautiful C# script, which I would name character move, and let it open. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, let me reply to the chats. Okay, why is this Visual Studio taking so time? So now it started opening. This might take some time. Okay, we will wait and see what happens. Okay, now Visual Studio is setting up itself. and the setup is almost complete. Wait for, okay, now it started crashing. Let paint be open right now. That's my assets, that's my document, and that's Chrome handling the stream. And I don't know how much time will it take to open a Visual Studio. Okay, now Visual Studio is up and it's preparing my solution. Yes, we are ready now to start coding. That's the best part. Okay, now get started. Let's get started. Character movement. Okay, I think I should use the rigid body system here. So I will quickly hop onto Unity and add component that rigid body 2D, and it wouldn't use gravity. Where is that gravity? Gravity scale 0. There would be no angular drag and it would freeze on Z axis. And now, okay, so we first will need that rigid body to the RB, okay, equal to transform dot get component rigid body 2D, which will fetch the rigid body from the object. And now we can add force. So in update we will create a new method, means call a new method, which will be movement. Okay, move in. Okay, movement. It's showing red because I haven't declared it yet. Void movement. Okay, now it's gone, the error is gone. Okay, now we will need an integer to store the horizontal axis. Okay, int horizontal is equals to input dot get get axis. Okay, let me see that string axis name. Okay, let me open the documentation for it. While on the other screen, let it load. Okay, so the name is horizontal, which I needed. Okay, it says it is float. I think it should be raw. Okay, or I guess I should make it float. So what happens when input dot, let's show you that. I will need a speed variable right now. Public okay, that should be public make it int or float. Okay, I don't need that. Int speed equal to speed. What are you doing? Speed equal to 20. Let's set that, and will rigid body dot add force. What does it take? It takes a vector 2. New vector 2. This should be speed multiplied by time dot delta time. Now you will ask, what is time dot delta time? That is basically that is basically the time to render each frame. Okay, we will do it in fixed update, and this will be so fixed delta time, because sorry, this should be, let me see that manual. That time, let me search it in the scripts, means manuals, and no one is watching me except myself. Fixed delta time manager. Let me see. Fixed timestamp, time scale. Let it be delta time. I think when it is fixed, then delta goes big and f goes small. Fixed delta time. Okay. And why I did this? Because whenever we add the y velocity, then so let me create the vertical segment similarly. Float vertical, this would be then rb dot velocity dot y, and this would be speed into time dot delta time. Please copy it. Copied. Now save the script. Let's hop into Unity back. There is an error, I guess. Warning. What is that warning? Missing the variable vertical. Oh, sorry. Sorry, and I need to multiply here. Horizontal. Here would be multiplied by vertical. Vertical. Okay. Let me think one thing. RB dot. Here is any set velocity? No. RB rigid body. What? Add force, add torque, add relative force, cast, compact, add distance, drag, get component, get point velocity, get relative, get type, get vector, slipping, inserting, move position, overlap on position, send message sleep to string. Okay, let me Let's see what it does. Okay, it will reload the scripts and these warnings will be gone, and hop onto project, select our character and apply character movement to it, and let's see the moment of truth for the first time. So oh, I applied a little bit of speed and it just flew away. Okay. Don't know. Okay, let's see what can I do. Speed is 20. Okay, add force is not working. Okay. Okay, let's try this thing. Let's see. Okay, move that and copy this, paste this, and let's see. Horizontal, set it to horizontal and save. Second moment of truth. I'm changing the velocity now. Okay, let it load. Sorry for the mic. It's loaded and now we will play. Okay, when I press left it goes on that direction, but 10 is not, 20 is not enough speed. Maybe 200 can work. Yes. So what about up down? There is no up down, only left right working, and that is working on a tangential axis. Right. Okay, what here? Let me see. This, it should go like that, but it is moving tangential. I don't know what's happening. Oh, both are horizontal. It would be vertical. And now I think it should be okay. Let's see. Moment of another truth. Okay, seems like we got an error. Vertical. What's this? Bad example of typing. Okay, let it load again. Here the problems and play it. Yes, now it's loaded. And oh, that's on 20 and that should be on 200. Yes, we can move left, we can move right, we can move in all directions with constant speed of 200. Seems slow bit, so we will change the speed to 400. We need fierce movement speed. Okay, let's see what does it do now. Oh yeah, that feels more comfortable and the character can move now. Now we will need to bound him in this clay area. So we will need an arena, obviously. So let's open up our Inkscape, which is our drawing tool, and we will size it up and make this circle the arena of our game. And where is the color tools? Filter. Where is that color tool? Yes. The color tools are gone now. I need to find them again. This happens sometimes. We will do this no color. Yes, there it comes back again, which I need the most, the color tools. Okay, so we will make this oval kind of ground. Stroke would be, should be more wider. Okay, now it is perfect because we will make it no fail. Just this is the test rim or arena, an oval shaped thing, and let's export this also to our drive, naming that, what did I name that? Ludum Dare 42, I guess. Okay, that was that right? Yes, and this would be my arena. Let's name it arena and export this. So the file is exported, and now we need to import that. Why is the console open? Assets, assets, and this is our arena. Okay, let's make it a bit smaller by changing it to 200. Apply. That's okay. This is our arena. Now just let the main camera change the background to which color would be great for this. Here it is in green, to dark blue. Okay, this color can go. No, okay, this is okay. Let's test this color. And currently in our arena does do nothing. So what we will do, we will add a cool edge collider. Okay, oh, that is only one edge. Okay, let's form into this shape of this circle. Okay, this goes in, this goes in, this goes in, and here we need another pen, another. Okay, uh, and a block, another block. Okay, you are going good. And now you are so taking that end here. There would be this cut here, this cut here, and the end reaching the front. Okay, let's just get out of this edge collider thing and let's play it again. Oh, I haven't added collider to the ball so that it's bound to the arena. Okay, take the ball and add component circle collider 2D, and it's perfectly scaled and fine. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, we are bound inside the arena and it feels good, except I think the arena should be made bouncy. So let's create another folder for the materials. So create, where is that physics material thing, physics material 2D, and we will name it bouncy, friction 0, bounciness 0.9, because 1 creates a weird effect of bouncing all around. Let's see what it does now. It will bounce like a pin. Okay, it's not bouncing, but it will bounce. Okay, we don't need that bouncy material on this because it's making things more weird. Delete this material. Just delete it. Just delete it. And now let's try again. Okay, not feels too bad. We can move around the arena. And now let's scale this arena now so that it takes the full screen. I will take the game layer to the next page, and no, I no need a standalone aspect ratio. Okay, let's do this. Here is our arena and we will run a test play. So we can move around the arena very well, and now we will stop it and replay. Let's see what it does. Actually you can see it because it's on other window. Actually, let me bring this back, maximize on play turned on, and let's try it again. Yes, that's not at all a good size for a game screen. 16:10. No, 16:10. Okay, we will do with that for now. Let's bring this game off and okay, let me grab the bar. going to the scene, get the ball, and okay, the character not seemed good. By the apply, let's see what happens now, if it looks good or not, though it's a temporary image. But okay, the ball now seems blurred. Okay, the collider doesn't feel okay, I would say. Let's click the arena and remove this collider, and we will add a circle collider. Ah, edit collider. No offset on that. Okay, I think this would do that. Let's see what does happen now. Oh, that was inside the collider and now it's outside. So that's not working well. I didn't mean that. Clear the whole object. Remove the component only. And we need collider 2D to find the best collider for this. Composite collider. Polygon collider. Can it do the trick? I think it can. Okay, polygon collider. That's it. I know you can do this. Yes, the circular feeling. Yes. Okay, that's the circular feeling which I need, and I will edit this collider. Don't know how to edit these colliders. Let it be like that. No problem. Okay, let's add. Uh, let's create bouncy and see. Uh, Material, where is that material? Many bounce which would have 0 friction and 0.9 bounciness, and we apply to our arena. Let's see what happens. This weird thing happens. I would say rather feels bad. I need to change my script for that. Let me think, what can I do? instead of changing velocity, can we add force? Open that. Let's do that again. Yes, add force. We can add force. Copy this thing, paste it. Here we need another bracket. And let's done. And let's comment this out. I think another bracket is expected, or another less bracket is expected, and let's save that. And we need to go into Unity and tweak some settings now. So who just joined us? Do you have to say anything? Who joined just? Okay, let's see. No material, making no material. And here's Mousy, and let's change the place linear drag to 1. That means the friction thing, that linear drag. Okay, now it does the things which I expected. Yes, but it's a bit slow in movement, and the drag is not too much, and so we will make the linear drag 3. He's just experimenting with number, and we will make it 4,000. 4,000 would be enough. More than an, so make it 1,000, and let's see what happens now. So yes, it's bouncing now. Okay, 1,000 doesn't also seem enough. Let's make it 2,000. Now let's see what happens now. Yes, yes, that's the feeling I wanted in this game. Bouncing all around the circular cage like thing. Okay, drag is okay. It feels good to move in this surrounding. Okay, let's pause the game. I think I should make this circle a bit bigger. It just fits in our screen. Okay, play. Okay, let's reduce this joke a bit. Okay, just replace the export. Let's see what happens. Okay, arena. We need to change the arena. Yes. Could import as arena 1. Sprite. Sprite would be arena 1. Okay, arena 1 is bigger, so we will make it 200. Apply. Let's go back to the arena. It needs to be recalculated. The collider needs to be recalculated. Ah, yes, this reset thing works. Yes, we are now getting more space. Let's see what's going on now. Oh, I forgot to add the bouncy thing. Uh, yes, take the bouncy thing, and let's see what happens now. Yay, we are bouncing all around. It's like this bumping car. Yes. Okay. So, what's next? We will need an enemy. So, let's make our enemies which will move around in their own will. Okay. Let's make change its fill to something like, okay, first time I am seeing that red colored here and yellow colored is, yes, let's make it coin. Oh, let's color it but is the color of the, sorry, this is the color of the background of my game, and I think I should do it coin. Okay, export, drive, LD42, and this is our coin. Now we need to import the coin. Wait a minute, just let me see one thing. Okay, where is the file? Oh, here is it. Where's that? Oh, I didn't export that. I always forget that. Click that export button. Okay, let's import that coin and reduce its size to 200. We'll make it half of its previous size. Okay, these are the enemies. We will make it a little smaller, so let's go for 300. No, it needs to be 600. Let's apply that, and it's smaller now. Okay, so these are the coins, and now we will need an UI to show that we are picking up. Okay, let's not make this coin, let's make this our, okay, player. You will need use this coin sprite. I will reset the collider on you, and I will make you bigger. Yes, and this coin will be deleted, and this is my player, this is will be enemy, no problem. Okay, now our player, oh, the circle is still smaller, I forgot that. Reset, yes, it takes its size, and now let's see. Oh, nice, nice, nice. That's like the old bumping cars. Let me have a break and drink water. So I am back after having some water, and let's get going with what we are doing. We need now enemies. Let's tweaking is an important part of every game because you need to tweak for the best settings always. Okay. Stand alone. There would be something missing, some parts missing when I want my game on 16:9 screens. Okay, this might be okay. Okay. Uh, why it is not going above that? That gap is creating why? Why is that gap? Oh, I think it has to do with I forget to reset it every time. Okay, so we now got the character movement going in. The beautiful bouncy character movement, which I really like myself. Now we will move to the enemies. So going for the enemies part, first let's use this image as our enemy. Okay, rename it as enemy. Now we will need some scripts to control our enemy. Create csub script, and that will be for enemy. So as I was telling in that paint, we will make this enemy stationary and increasing in size gradually. Okay, so we need to do is declare some variables. So let me think. Scale private int that shouldn't be int, float scale 1. Okay, now we need in each update private. Okay, this should be public load increase 0.25. Okay, and here I need to write f to say that it's a float. So update. Now we will update the size transform dot local scale would be equal to will be plus equal to increase. Okay, it's showing red. Why? Oh, it's a vector 3. New vector 3. I will use vector 2. So transform dot local scale dot transform dot local scale dot x multiplied by, let's make it 1.0.2 increase. Why are you doing this? CREASE Okay, what is going on now? Local scale, why not increase? So our enemy will increase, and well, that's the first character we were expecting from the enemy. Let's see what happens. Okay, what this error? Enemy dot scale. Okay, scale is not it, so we will remove that. So save that and continue. Let me see one thing first. Okay, let's continue. So we need to apply the script on the enemy. So let's increase the scale of our enemy. Okay, it gets big pretty quick. It should be doing. So I chose very small number with almost equal to 1, so it's not increasing or decreasing. So we need to make it really small. Please don't make it 1. Please don't make it 1. It didn't make it 1. But it is not increasing as well. Yes, it's increasing slowly. You cannot see it in a video, but I can see that. It's all about tweaking a feature now. Okay, it is increasing slowly, but I don't need that bit slow. Okay, let's test this speed now. This feels much better. That's what I want. This will increase like that, and after getting to scale 5 we will stop their increase. Okay, if transform the local scale dot x equal to 5, sorry, less than equal to 5, then you will do this thing. Now you will be thinking why I didn't use the second brackets there, because it's only one line statement, and one line statements don't need any. So in any time now it will stop scaling our character. It's our enemy. uh, that's the time. Okay, it looks really horrible. I need to create a new character for that. Now as the character is created, now we will go to, and okay, I was copying in the wrong folder. Assets, character, delete. No, I can delete this right now. Okay, this is character 1, and this looks much better than this Peter character. Okay, character 1, and you can go home right now. And character 1, you will have this thing set to 400, so you are really tiny. We'll start maybe 600. Okay, let's see what happens now. So looks really nice while growing gradually, and it stops. Okay, we don't want it to stop. We will keep on scaling it, but that won't be too much. Greater than 5, then when we will increase by that increase 2 amount, increase 2, we would then increase 2, and this would increase 2, and now let's save that, load it up in Unity again. So there would be another increase 2 variable, which would be 0, 0, 5, much slower. So at first it grows slowly and gradually as it reaches almost. Okay, no, I needed to follow that size now. Okay, it's increasing in size, increases, and then the rate suddenly gets slower, which I incidentally wanted, and it's on 6.2 scale right now. So we will make 9 our limit, and then it will be fixed. Sorry, greater than 5, less than 8, it would go on that way. Okay, let's see what happens now. So it is scaling slowly. Slowly, and then slows down its level a bit, and it's on 6, 7, and it will finally be fixed there on that side. Okay, so we are decreasing the room now. Our main objective is completed, and now let's add a circle collider to this thing and see now the ball bouncing around this thing. Okay, and you will add the bouncy thing on this as well. Okay, the collider is okay. Let's add the bouncy thing on it, and let's play this. Yes, in these red spots this will decrease my health. Okay, and then potentially thinking of a bug which will happen if there. Okay, it's pushed out due to the two bouncy things. Okay, so that there would be an error. Okay, so now what? Now we need to make some prefabs. Create folder prefabs. So here is our prefabs folder where we do store our enemy prefab, and we will randomly generate enemies. Let me see some things. Okay. Okay, we will not create there. We will go from -4 to +4, and here we will go +3 to -3. Okay, that was thing I need to note, because it will require when we randomly generate our enemies, and that's what we will do right now in game object. Okay, and let's name this enemy generator, not a child of the camera, and let's reset its transform. And now we will create as new script for enemy generator. Okay. Open it. Okay, apparently seems that after 3 clicks something open. Never mind. So delete game object enemy okay. So we need an enemy generator. So now this invoke repeating enemy generator, and one comma, then public float repeat one. Every 6 seconds we will generate 6 seconds. Okay. First thing first, this would be 0f and this would be repeated. And in enemy generator we will create I forgot that code. Instantize. We will instantize the game object, and let's see. So we will instantize enemy at position vector 2. We will need new vector 2. What? Oh, needs a transform. So we will place the transform of the right here. Transform. This is the transform. It is saying it needs transform, and now it's saying it needs vector 3. Get position. So what are the requirements you will say? Quotidian. Okay. Okay. Now I need to see the manual. Now let's bring up the manual here and we will search for instantize. Instantiate. 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 Spawning game objects. Okay. Oh no, it's taking that blue. No, I don't want this. I don't want this. Please give me that thing I want. Instantiate. Instantiate identity. It's creating in the point. Okay, all the things. Game object detect. Transform that parent. Position, rotation, transform. Okay. Vector 2. Two, so it would be our position. Random range minus 4 to plus 4 on x and minus 3 to plus 3 on y, and why is it showing green? Is random that range. Okay. I will use random that range. And what's your argument now? Oh, that problem. Sorry. Now we need Quaternion dot identity and transform. All the four things. Okay, we made it according to rule number 5. So now save that. So let's start this. Oh, I haven't given the prefab, or no, I attached the script and generator make 6 to 10 and game object assets now prefab enemy and take the enemy and spawn it. So here is the first enemy spawn 1 2 3 4 5. Here is another enemy. Okay, here is a third enemy. Okay, I can do one thing, remove these borders so that they might appear that they are joining. So let's do that now. Go back to Inkscape and remove this stroke and get the selection out as enemy, and there would be our enemy somewhere here. Yes, assets, take the enemy, prefab enemy, bring it to scene, so it would have the asset of this enemy, and apply this and resize this to 400, apply 600, apply and now enemy, you are in the prefabs already, and now we will delete you, and some changes we will need is 6 is a fixed time, so invoke, I would call invoke again from there, invoke the same event which is called enemy generator, and the invoke time would be random dot random dot range. Okay, so random dot range, it would be low time, high time. So we are declaring two things which are basically not there, but I would like to copy that more. High time. So now let's see what it does change. Now some change is done, so I would like to save it right now. It loads, it's saved, and now we will play. Okay, enemy created right above our head. C. See those dots. Two dots. One in another. Okay, the play area is decreasing slowly. That means okay. Now we are bound to this part. So how many I created? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it would be taxing for the CPU to work that much. We will change two things. This increase 2 will be cancelled. We don't need that increase 2 thing, and the second is time transform dot get child count. It would return us the child count less than, let's say, 6. Then only we will create the enemies. Child count. Okay, let's see. That means 6 enemies will be only created. So there is our first enemy created in the very beginning. There is our second enemy, third enemy, fourth enemy. Where is it? Fifth enemy, sixth enemy. So the way is blocked. To get more bigger. Okay, let's do this. Do this in different way. Zero. Then we will do one thing. What? What? Uh, what? No. Uh, Shan.x equal to 0 and transform dot position dot y equal to 0. Then we will change its position like this. Transform dot position equal to this new vector 2. This is the first thing, and if okay, this is the only thing I am worried about right now. Okay, let's save that. Let's save these, and that would not create much change, but in 3 times if there is an error and the enemy suddenly spawned in this point, then that would be a problematic thing. Okay, now the enemy is created perfectly. I haven't added anything to them yet. There are 6 enemies, and you can see that perfectly here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is spawned quite close to each other. So I'm right now a bit tired, and I will take a break and I will show you my progress in the next day again, or maybe night. I don't know. If you want to see, then please message me that you want to see more of this, and after completing this game I will post a link as well to this game, so stay subscribed.